What is other storage on Samsung device and how to clear it? What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about what the other storage typically refers to in Samsung device and how you can clear it. But before we get into this, make sure to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button as well. Now, let's jump in. So in Samsung devices, the other storage typically refers to miscellaneous files and data that don't fall under the standard categories like app, images, videos, or audio. The storage category may include app cache or data, system files, log files, temporary files, even some unrecognized files and deleted files in trash or recycle bin. So to access your other data, you just have to open up your settings first, then scroll down until you see digital well-being, and under that you'll see device care. Go ahead and tap on it. Then just head over to the storage. Now wait for it to completely load everything and tap on show more. So as you can see here, you can see the other files. It is taking up almost 9 gigs of my storage. So this typically includes all of those mentioned data I've just mentioned above. So if you want to free up these files or these data, you just have to head over to the app section right here, and you can try clearing cache of the apps that you don't need. You can delete unused files, you can remove residual files, and you can clear system cache as well. So you can go through one by one on all of your installed apps and clear the cache. So for example, you just tap on the Instagram, go ahead and tap on storage, and then tap on clear cache. So as you can see, Instagram alone was taking almost 500 megabytes of my storage. So you can do this for all of these apps, and you will get a lot of free storage on your device. You can also manage your app data from this. And that's how you clear out all of the other storage on Samsung. I hope you did found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.